Hello everyone. Today we will do a problem related to ergodic random process in order to illustrate the concept of ergodicity. We know that a random process is said to be ergodic in mean if ensemble average is equal to the time average. Again we know that time average is limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t xt dt, and the ensemble average is mu xt, that is equal to expectation of xt. We know the definition of the ensemble average. Similarly, a random process is said to be ergodic in autocorrelation if the time average autocorrelation will be equal to the ensemble average autocorrelation function. So, time average autocorrelation function is defined as limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t xt into xt plus tau d tau. We already know the definition for ensemble average autocorrelation. That is, ensemble average autocorrelation is Rx tau equal to expectation of xt into xt plus tau, or xt plus tau into xt. This is ensemble average autocorrelation function. If these two conditions are satisfied, we can say that the random process is ergodic. Now we will do a problem related to ergodic random process. Consider a random process xt equal to a cos 2 pi fct plus phi, where a and fc are constants and phi is a random variable uniformly distributed in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Check whether xt is ergodic. Xt is ergodic means we need to check whether the time average is equal to the ensemble average and time average autocorrelation is equal to the ensemble average autocorrelation function. In the last video, we already found the time average, ensemble average for this particular random process, and we found that expectation of xt is 0. Also, the ensemble average autocorrelation is a square by 2 cos 2 pi fc tau. Now we will find the time average of this particular random process. That is, time average is denoted by this xt, which is equal to limit t tends to infinity integral minus t to t xt dt. So this is equal to limit t tends to infinity, 1 by 2t also is there. Okay. 1 by 2t integral minus t to t xt is a cos 2 pi fct plus phi dt. Okay. Now, so we know that, this is a is constant. So we know that integral of cosine or sine function over one time period will be 0. So this can be written as limit t tends to infinity a by 2t integral minus t to t cos 2 pi fct plus phi dt, and we know that this integral will be 0. So time average is, we got it as xt is 0. So now we can see that ensemble average, we already know that expectation of xt is 0. So that we already found in the last video. So expectation of xt, in this case, expectation of xt will be equal to time average. So which is equal to 0. So we can say that the given random process is ergodic in mean. Now we need to check whether the given random process is ergodic in autocorrelation. Now we will find the time average autocorrelation function. We know that time average autocorrelation function is denoted like this, xt into xt plus tau. So which will be equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t xt into xt plus tau d tau. So this will be equal to limit t tends to infinity 1 by 2t integral minus t to t. What is xt? Xt is a cos 2 pi fct plus phi into xt plus tau is a cos 2 pi fc t plus tau plus phi dt. So this can be written as limit t tends to infinity a square by 2t integral minus t to t cos 2 pi fct plus 5 into cos 2 pi fct plus 2 pi fc tau plus 5 dt. So we can see this as cos A, cos B form, which can be expanded as cos A, cos B can be written as 1 by 2 cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Right. So this can be written as limit t tends to infinity a square by 2t integral minus t to t cos A plus B is, so this is A and this is B. So cos A plus B is, so 1 by 2 into cos 4 pi fct plus 2 pi fc tau plus 2 phi plus cos A minus B is cos 2 pi fc tau dt. So this can be written as limit t tends to infinity a square by 4t integral minus t to t cos 4 pi fct plus 2 pi fc tau plus 2 phi dt plus integral minus t to t cos 2 pi fc tau dt. So we know that the integral of sine or cosine over one complete cycle will be 0. So this will be 0. And with respect to t, cos 2 pi fc tau is a constant. So this can be written as a square by 4t cos 2 pi fc tau integral minus t to t dt. So this will be equal to a square by 4t cos 2 pi fc tau into 2t. So 2t cancel. So this will be equal to a square by 2 cos 2 pi fc tau. So this is Rx to time average autocorrelation function. So here we can see that we already know that ensemble average autocorrelation is a square by 2 cos 2 pi fc tau. Thus we can see that ensemble average autocorrelation is equal to time average autocorrelation function. So thus the given random process is ergodic. So we already found that the time average autocorrelation is equal to the ensemble average autocorrelation, and ensemble average autocorrelation function is equal to the time average autocorrelation function. Thank you.